Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about whether we are in a bullish market or a bearish market. So a lot of people would consider ourselves in a bearish market right now due to the fact that the S&P 500 has done a sharp decline of about 470 some points within this past week. Now a lot of investors are attributing this sharp decline to the coronavirus outbreak. This has been affecting major companies which are in the S&P 500. With companies not able to meet their quarterly targets, most have gone down in value. Now if we look at the RSI on the S&P 500, we can see that we are majorly on the oversold side. Now a lot of investors would consider this a perfect opportunity to come in and purchase some shares at cheap prices, while others would consider that this has some downside potential. Now whether we are in a bullish or bearish market ultimately goes down to you to figure that out. But if I were to put in my own opinion, I would say that we are about to enter a market where we would be trading sideways in consolidation. Now after this consolidation, whether there would be a bullish run upwards or bearish sell-off, we don't know, depending on what we see in larger time frames. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, just comment down below. Like this video as it does help out with the algorithm on this channel, and if you would like to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos, that'd be great. But besides that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace guys.